All right, guys. Good afternoon and good evening and good morning, depending your location. Okay, I have this wonderful piece of advice and a wonderful update and information I want to present to you. Some might say I know it before. If you know it before, skip. If you don't know it before, stand still. I know many people want this update. So if you know you want this update, please come closer. But for your information, please do me a favor, watch this video till the end. That's what I request from you. Watch the video to the end so that you understand everything I am saying. Now let's go to the video. So most of you have heard about GreyApp. I know you've seen it, you've come across it. Maybe somebody has talked about it before, but you've not even tested it. You've not tried it. So you don't really know if it works, or if it is true, if it is legit or not. I'm bringing it to you now, black to black, white to white, whatsoever way. GreyApp is the only app. In fact, if you have a UK account in Nigeria, UK TikTok account in Nigeria, the only way you can cash out your money is to have GreyApp. When you create an account with GreyApp, you can connect that account to your TikTok. So if you want to cash out whatsoever gift they've given you that have become dollar or British pounds, it is through GreyApp you will cash it out. If you register GreyApp today, they will give you almost 3 account numbers: Euro account, dollar account, British pounds account, and Nigeria Naira account. 4 accounts. So if you need anybody in the world to send you money, send them one of the account. If it is dollar, you have it there. If it is pounds, you have it there. If it is euro, you have it there. If it is Nigeria Naira, you have it there already. So what will you do is to use it. So now when you create a UK TikTok account, on my last video I talked about it, which I'm going to talk about it again, you will have to connect with your British pounds account to your UK TikTok account. If you don't have GreyApp, I believe they have some other app, but I'm talking about the one I know. That is the one I'm using. That is the one I use to connect with my UK TikTok account, which I sit down and created it inside my sitting room. Did you understand me? So I am not talking of something different from what you don't know. I don't even know how to put it. Many people want to create UK TikTok account but don't know how. Comment on this video. I will do another video again and you will know. Maybe you didn't see my last video. It is content upon content, video upon video, teaching upon teaching, tutorials upon tutorials for us to learn. It takes me so many years to discover this, and I'm giving it to you for a platter of free. Do you get? I'm giving it to you for free. I'm not setting out a class that you pay 20k, 50k. No, I'm giving it to you for free. You understand? So if you know that this information is for you and you know it will help you, the link of the GreyApp, I'm going to push it under this video. Okay, as I'm uploading the video, I'm putting the link there. So when you're done watching the video, click on the link under the comment on the post under the video, follow the link, download the app, register it. As simple as ABC. 1 2 3, you are there. Now you can test it. You can transfer money from your other account, Nigeria account you have, and put it inside that account. You see, it will work, and you can withdraw it and it will come out. You can swap that your money to pounds, and you want to transfer pounds to somebody outside the country, it will work. You turn it to dollar, you can transfer it, it will work. Euro, it will work. So you are in Nigeria, which they say is local, but you are operating internationally. Shady White is bringing you internationally made information. Watch this video, share it to your friends, make sure they get it. Please, I'll be coming back with more updates. Stick around. Open your UK TikTok account in the comfort of your room. in just 5 minutes. We'll talk about this later, but you just go through this video and tell me what you feel about the video. Thank you.